I'll go that way. I won't be silly about it. Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Meredith Abbott and welcome to Sur La Table. Today I am making a blueberry gin smash. For this recipe, you'll need gin, whatever you like, elderflower liqueur, I have Saint Germain, limes, blueberries, mint, and sugar. Before I start building my cocktail, I just need to cut my garnish. And that is a lime. And for each cocktail, I need 1 lime wheel, which is a thin slice of your lime. I'm gonna get 3. I'll make some cocktails later. And to make this easier to garnish your glass with, I'm gonna take the tip of my knife and just make a cut halfway through. That little slit is gonna make it easier to stick that onto your glass. To start, I'm taking my cocktail shaker. I have one of these 3-part cocktail shakers, the glass, the strainer top, and the cap. To the bottom of this, I'm going to add 4 mint leaves that are washed. Please wash your mint. It gets kind of buggy. 1 more for good measure. Blueberries, and sugar. I'm going to take my muddler now, and I'm going to now press against the blueberries and the mint and mash it with the sugar. The sugar is going to act as an abrasive and help break down and burst those blueberries, as well as bruise the mint to release its essential oils. And all of my blueberries are burst and I can smell my mint, which is now. So before I shake, I'm going to fill my cocktail shaker halfway with ice, and I'm also going to fill my glass halfway with ice. To my cocktail shaker, I'm going to measure 1.5 ounces of gin. One of my big ones. And 1/2 ounce of Saint Germain or elderflower liqueur. It's really nice and floral. Perfect. Top with the strainer cap. Top that. Give it a good tap to make sure it's in place. And I'm going to shake. I'm going to shake for 30 seconds to 1 minute until my glass is chilled and it's nice and frosty. You can do this one-handed if you can. I like to do two-handed. Hey. The metal of my lid is nice and frosty and my glass is cold. So I'm going to take off this top cap and strain into my glass. Shake it a little bit because those blueberry skins are going to try to clog those holes. Try to get all that liquid out as you can. You don't have to build a smash in a cocktail glass. You can build it in the glass that you're going to serve in. But I like to add this 1 extra step to it just because it makes it feel a little bit more special, and that way you don't get blueberry skins stuck to your teeth when you drink this. So, okay, got all of my cocktail in there. Now to garnish, take the lime wheel, snug it right there on the side, find a pretty sprig of mint, give it a little smack to help release those oils. Nestle it in. There you go. Cheers. Blueberry gin smash. Enjoy. For recipe videos, cooking classes, and more, visit surlatable.com.